Hello. I am Professor Kon. Welcome. Today we learn colors in nature. Let's learn together. Look. Red. Red. This is red. Red.
I see a red apple. Red apple. It is red. Red.
Red apples grow on trees. Trees are plants. Plants are nature. Red apple.
Look. Blue. Blue. The sky is blue. Blue.
I see. The blue sky. Blue sky. Blue sky. It is blue. Blue. The sky looks blue. Blue. Light makes the sky blue. Blue sky. Look. Green. Green. This leaf is green. Green.
I see a green leaf.
Green leaf.
It is green. Green. Leaves are green. Green. Leaves help plants grow. Green leaves. Look. Yellow.
Yellow.
This flower is yellow. Yellow. I see a yellow flower. Yellow flower. It is yellow. Yellow. Flowers have colors. Yellow. Colors help bees find flowers. Yellow flower.
Look. White. White. This cloud is white. White.
I see a white cloud. White cloud. It is white. White. Clouds look white. White. Clouds hold tiny water drops. White clouds.
Look. Black. Black. This crow is black. Black.
I see a black crow. Black crow. It is black. Black.
Birds have feathers. Black feathers. Feathers help birds fly. Blackbird. Look. Brown. Brown. This tree is brown. Brown.
I see a brown tree. Brown tree. It is brown. Brown.
Tree trunks are brown. The trunk helps the tree stand. Brown trunk. Look. Orange. Orange. This orange is orange.
Orange.
I see. An orange. Orange fruit. It is orange. Orange. Oranges grow on trees. Fruit has seeds. Seeds grow into new plants.
Look. Colorful. Colorful. The rainbow is colorful. Colorful.
I see. A colorful rainbow. Colorful rainbow. It is colorful. Colorful.
Sunlight and rain can make a rainbow. Colorful rainbow.
Look. Nature. Nature. Trees, flowers, and animals. Nature. I see. Nature. Nature is beautiful. I love nature. Nature.
Let's remember. Red, blue, green. Say them with me. Red, blue, green. Red apple. Blue sky. Green leaf. I see red, blue, and green. Now, yellow, white, black. Say them. Yellow, white, black.
Yellow flower. White cloud. Black crow. Very good! Say them again. Brown tree. Orange fruit. Colorful rainbow. Beautiful nature. Wonderful! Let's say all the colors. Red. Blue. Green. Great job!
Yellow, white, black. Say them again. Yellow, white, black.
Brown. Orange. Colorful. Nature. Very good!
This is green. I see a green leaf. Green leaf.
This is blue. I see the blue sky. Blue sky. This is yellow. I see a yellow flower. Yellow flower. Plants need sunlight. Plants need water. Plants grow.
Let's look at nature. Red, blue, green, beautiful.
Can you say red, blue, green, yellow,
White. Black. Brown. Orange. Colorful. Excellent!
let's say all the words. Red, blue, green, yellows. Very good. Now, white, black, brown, orange, colorful, nature. Great job!
Wonderful! You learned many colors. Thank you for learning with Professor Kon. See you next time. Goodbye!